Hello and welcome to a new reading. I hope everyone is doing well, that life is treating you good. So let's see, what is the message today? Life is a gift. Life is unfolding for you. So seize the day and make the most of every chance to be true to yourself and live life to the fullest. It's time to cut out all the noise. Wow. I like that message because we live in a very noisy world right now. So it's up to each and every one of us to find our own journey and to live it to the fullest. It's beautiful when you do that, and don't allow the noise to take over or overwhelm you. Closing bridges, it's time for healing, connecting, mending, and releasing. Cleansing waters, purification activates vibrant life force. Wow, it's quite big messages coming through right now. It's all about the things we can do within our own soul. It's not like we have to listen to the noise each and every day. Sometimes you need to distract yourself from that. There are so many things we pay attention to that we can't do anything about, and all it does is take your energy. It doesn't benefit you in any way. So this is the time for you to find your path. You should always have goals and something to work towards, but at the same time, sometimes just drifting, just being in the flow and allow life unfold in the way it should be. So could be good to be just in that state of mind for a while. Let's see. I feel all of them. First of all, you got the Page of Swords as the underlier. You remember here, it's time to cut out all the noise. And I think that is what the Page of Swords is learning you right now. What noise do you have to listen to? What is yours to pay attention to and what is not? That clear cut is coming to you right now. And I think you should pay attention to that. Because it's not like we have to listen to everything. Let's see, what else? You got the Five of Cups here. There are some emotions that is changing right now. Maybe something you even have believed in before is diminishing. It's changing. Step by step, you think it's not that important after all. Then you got the Six of Cups. This is a card about harmony and balance in all your relationships. This is where you put your focus where it's needed, not where everyone else demands you to put attention. This is you feeling what is right for you and who are the people most important in your life right now. Tell them you love them. Let them know that you care about them. And let the people who is not that important, let them walk their own path. The High Priestess. Yeah, I think most of all you're listening to your own inner voice right now. Because life can be so overwhelming if we try to contribute in each and every corner of it. It's not necessary at all. You need to sometimes withdraw to gain your own energy, not only give energy at all time. You got the Eight of Swords here. This is a card when I think you hold on to all the noise, where you let it affect you, what other people mean about you. Remember, other people's meaning about you is there. It's not yours. And again, what is it that you can do something about, and what? Because sometimes we have the need to explain ourselves to people who always will misunderstand us. And that is when you let it go. What their opinion, let them have it. It's not yours to pay attention to anyway. Because that feels a little bit anxious. You get scared. What are they saying about me? How can they say that? That's not true. But you know the truth. And that is the main issue here. You don't have to listen to everyone else. Because if people even want to lie about you, you can't control it. I think that is when you have to realize life is a gift. And it's all up to you how you create your life. You have choices. We all have, all the time. But don't let anyone put you in this cage and to determine who you are. Their opinion doesn't matter. Not at all. Look at that. You got the Empress. The wealthy, nurturing woman. This is a reminder that you are a person that could be really wealthy if you only nurture yourself in a much better way. And that begins with self-love. When you tell yourself whatever other people are telling you, you are good enough, you are worthy of success, of wealth, of good relationships. We had a Six of Cups here. That is your tribe, the people you connect with because it feels so good to be around them. And that is people that give you good energy. When you come into a room and they welcome you, not the one that you feel there is something wrong but they don't tell you, that is not your tribe. So nurture yourself. You can become very wealthy in this lifetime. And to confirm that, we got the Nine of Cups. That is a card of wish fulfillment. Look how relaxed she is. So fulfilled in her life. And you don't see a mansion behind her. You don't see anything like that. She's sitting on the beach, enjoying nature, and has a fulfilling life by doing that. The simplest thing that you have in your life can bring you fulfillment. It doesn't have to be all the richness in the world for you to be happy. And you know it. You know it. There you got the Nine of Swords. Look at that. Nine of Swords tells me you have been through a lot of thinking about your life. Because I believe when you found this reading, there is for a reason. Something you're looking for, seeking some information or something that can lift your day. And the Nine of Swords tells me you've been thinking about that for a while. But 9 is also the end of a cycle. So if you feel like things are too much at the moment, realize that you are so close. The success is just around the corner. And you got the 9 here as well, the 9 of Cups, that fulfillment. So all the thinking you have done will result in wish fulfillment for you. And I like that for you, because that means you are doing the job to create a fulfilling life for yourself. And with that, I want to end this reading with a thank you note. Let's see. Those who bring sunshine to the lives of others cannot keep it from themselves. Thank you for the sunshine. Beautiful one. Because I think you are a person that brings sunshine to others. But remember to include yourself in that sunshine. It's so important, my dear viewer. And with that, I wish you a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye.